let's explore how the Flow Runs plan operates within IBM App Connect Enterprise as a service. Meet DreamSpace Solutions, a fictional retailer specializing in crafting dream living spaces with exquisite home decor, furniture, and accessories. In their quest for an integration tool to streamline operations, DreamSpace finds the Flow Runs plan offered by IBM App Connect intriguing. This plan allows DreamSpace Solutions to seamlessly deploy essential integrations without requiring extensive technical expertise. Through the intuitive interface of App Connect, they effortlessly manage and deploy integrations. Furthermore, the pricing structure, based on flow invocations, provides DreamSpace with clarity and control over integration expenses. Let's delve into the deployment process. We have an integration CRM / Feedback Manager operating within Salesforce, which regularly monitors customer queries and feedback. Upon detection, it triggers a Slack alert to the relevant team for immediate action, ensuring prompt response and enhanced customer satisfaction. To initiate this Customer Feedback Manager flow, we click on Deploy. A summary page displays vital information about the deployed flow, including connectors and accounts. With a simple click of the Deploy button, the system rolls out the integration into a shared runtime, updating the Manage page accordingly. To initiate the deployment, let's click on the Deployment tile options menu and select Activate. Once activated, upon reopening the options menu on the tile, you will notice all the trace options listed. Now, let's deploy an inventory management integration bar file. This integration harmonizes inventory data across various channels, providing DreamSpace with real-time insights into product availability and demand. Here on the Manage page, let's click on the Deploy Integration button. The table displayed here lists the uploaded bar files and completed designer flows that have yet to be deployed. You can select the bar file from the list and proceed with the deployment. Alternatively, you can upload a bar file using the Bar File Upload widget on the page. For this demonstration, I'll upload the DreamSpace Inventory Management bar file and click on Next to navigate to the Configuration Selection page. While this step is optional, we can select the configurations we wish to apply. Subsequently, a summary page will display information about the deployed bar name and configurations. Let's click on the Deploy button to initiate the bar file deployment into an integration runtime. Once the deployment is complete, you can view it on the Manage page and activate it as needed. The deployment process is further simplified by providing users with multiple other deployment methods. Let's go ahead and deploy the Sales Analytics update flow. Deployments can be initiated directly from the dashboard in just 2 clicks, further streamlining the deployment process. Here we can see that the deployed API flow can be tested against the App Connect endpoint. The Flow Runs plan also supports API unified authoring if you have both an App Connect and an API Connect instance in the same region. Let's enable this feature. Navigate to the API flow, click on the gear icon, and toggle the button to enable unified authoring. Now let's deploy the flow again and activate it. You can now test this integration against the API Connect endpoint through the Documentation tab if necessary. Switching over to the API Connect instance, you'll see that the integration is published here. In the Flow Runs plan, the bar file page and the configurations page are now integrated into the Designer UI, offering a more unified user experience. You can now upload a bar file and deploy it directly from the bar file page using the Deploy button. Additionally, from the Configurations page, you can create and update configurations seamlessly. This integration streamlines the deployment process and enhances user efficiency by eliminating the need to navigate between different sections for deployment and configuration management. Heading back to the Manage page, let's delve into the contents of the deployed bar file. Clicking on it reveals the specific contents of the deployment, including applications, REST APIs, service libraries, and policy projects. You can also view runtime properties and security credentials associated with each component. Clicking on each content item allows you to see its associated properties as well. For REST APIs, there's a provision to test it out using the Documentation tab, facilitating easy debugging and validation. For deployed event-driven and API flows as well, we have the properties associated with them along with the Test tab in case of API flows. A single click takes us directly to the flow editor in case of these flows, allowing us to easily view and manage the flow. You can activate or deactivate the deployment from the menu option, providing flexibility in managing integrations. Additionally, you can download all deployment and integration-related data in JSON format by clicking on the Download button. Furthermore, we have the Table View button as well as filter options that can help us filter out the data below. This drill down is also accessible directly from the bar file page. By clicking on the deployment link here, you'll be redirected to the deployment drill down for further examination and management. And that's how easy it is to deploy and manage integrations using the Flow Runs pricing plan.